Hi garden friend, ready for a cottage getaway? Today I'm taking you on a tour of my friend Janet's charming cottage, where the garden is lovely, but it's what's on the inside that really makes it special. She styled the interior of her cottage using something totally unexpected. It's charming, it's clever, it's inspiring, and it's something that you can do too. The details will be explained in the video. First, we'll take a quick stroll around her garden, and then we'll step inside and see what she's done and how she's done it. So let's go, shall we? Here's the cottage from outside, and let's take a swing around and see one final look before we step inside. The beautiful Shasta daisies, hydrangea, and the coral bell here, and a foxglove, of course. Hostas over here. And there's also some lamium as a ground cover. A few more Shasta daisies. And there's a secret sitting area back here. What a charming and relaxing area to have just outside your door. I just love this little seating area here. And it is very charming. Shasta daisies abound, aren't they beautiful? And look at these beautiful potted plants outside here. And this is absolutely stunning. Her seating area here is fabulous. And we'll start here in the living room. She has a different couch, and she's incorporated some different colors into her color scheme here. And this beautiful palette here with decorative items is really beautiful. I love it. And the lighting in here is fabulous. Going around here, this is a beautiful sitting area, and her little corner area here. I think that she has done a beautiful job with this decor, and her pillows are made from tablecloths. And this beautiful chair was purchased from a thrift store. Also, a small bathroom area here. The material of this skirt below the bathroom sink is actually made out of a painter's drop cloth. Can you believe that? But since it's such a small area, there's no shower in here. She uses the main house for showering. Have you discovered what is unexpected about this cottage yet? There's her beautiful kitchen, which we'll get to in a moment. And I wanted you to see what it looks like through this beautiful dormer. It used to be a skylight. And her little armoire here. And a few things have changed here since I was here several months ago, mainly her couch, and she has kept most of her decorating style about the same, and with these beautiful curtains that she used. And there's a dowel up here that is just used on the end of the curtain rod. And there's her view. But do you see how she's put these trio of pieces together? And I really love this area. This kitchen is beautiful. Now this lampshade is made from a tablecloth, And she also uses dish towels or curtains. And as you can see, this sponge painting, and she simply takes the edge of a sponge and dabs it in paint and places it on the wall in a pattern. Beautiful. It looks like wallpaper. She's got everything neatly tucked away. This charming little set of her teapot and teaspoons is a cutting board with dowels on it. And all of these items have been recycled, reused, and repurposed. Every single item in here has been thrifted, and she has found these treasures along the way. She's got a small refrigerator here, and there's her fireplace. And this window up here is just beautiful. And as you can see, a lot of these items are put on wheels so they're easily moved around. Now, one thing to note is that this entire space is just a studio, so there's no separate sleeping area. And while this might not work for everyone, it works for her, and it gives her enough space to work on her projects around the cottage. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think of this cottage? What do you like the most? Do you have a favorite? Let me know. I love it. The dresser is a thrift store find, and she has painted everything to match with these different pastel type colors, and they're all very neutral. And there's some more of her pillows there. She does a beautiful job with that. And the flooring material as well is something that's secondhand. Have you ever used anything reused, recycled, and repurposed? Let me know in the comments. Well, it looks like the sun decided to come out. So let's take another look around here very quickly and see just how beautiful this kitchen is. Spectacular. I hope this has given you some inspiration for your own home or your own cottage. I hope you're having a great gardening day, and I'll catch you in the next one.